Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create a powerful hammer from rebar. Now, I cut 4 portions of thick rebar and solder them together. This forms the core structure of the hammerhead. Once that's done, I clear the rebar of any rust and cut off the necessary portion to get a clean piece to work with. The next step is to cut vertically and horizontally, creating open slices at the tip of the rebar. I then cut out a wedge of metal to fit into the vertical open end. And solder all the open ends to secure it in place. Afterwards, I clear one side of the rebar of all irregularities on its surface to ensure a smooth finish. First, I start by coiling the tip of the rebar around a metal rod. Then, I cut through a circle and solder the open end. Next, I coil the rebar around a longer pole with heat. After that, I cut off the open end to get it ready for the next step. At this point, I place both portions together. And start filling up the remainder of the hammerhead with more pieces of rebar until it takes its complete shape. To finish it off, I solder all the pieces together and smoothen the surface to give it a polished look. Now, this powerful hammer is ready to destroy absolutely anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.